Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to paint a bright autumn sky, a view looking up through the colorful branches of a tall birch tree. I started by covering the entire canvas with a soft blue tone. Before it completely dries, I gently lighten the center to create a glowing sky effect. Now, with a smaller brush and some white paint, I gently blend a few soft patches of clouds across the sky. Just smooth, light strokes to keep them airy and delicate. Only a few of these clouds will remain visible through the bright autumn leaves later on. With a large round brush, I start tapping in warm yellow tones. This will be the base for our leaves. Don't overblend. We want to keep the texture and brightness alive on the canvas. Then I add a touch of red to create a beautiful orange mix and layer it over the yellow. This combination gives that lovely autumn warmth we all love. Now it's time to paint the tall birch tree that stretches across the canvas. It's wide and strong at the bottom and gradually becomes thinner as it reaches the sky. While the trunk is drying, I move on to painting the long, graceful branches, some stretching forward, some disappearing behind the leaves, adding depth and life to the scene. Next, I switch to a smaller round brush and begin carefully defining individual leaves, adding layers of color and subtle variation in tone to bring them to life. Some leaves overlap and catch more light, while others rest quietly in shadow. I also paint a few leaves in front of the branches to add depth and a beautiful sense of dimension, as if the viewer could almost reach out and touch them. To paint the tree trunk, move your brush in soft, curved strokes to show the round shape. The lower part of the trunk should be more detailed and darker, while the upper part gradually lightens as it reaches the top. With a fine brush, I add subtle lines and delicate textures, the signature marks that give birch trees their unique character. Each stroke follows the gentle curve of the trunk, enhancing its roundness and form. Some of these dark markings are slightly irregular, just like in nature, and that's what makes them feel real and organic. As we move upward, the patterns gradually become smaller, softer, and closer together, creating a beautiful illusion of distance and height. This gradual transition helps the viewer's eyes travel naturally from the base of the tree all the way up toward the golden canopy above. The beauty of nature is always around us. We just need to sometimes look up and view it from a fresh perspective. And there it is, a bright, joyful view of autumn from beneath the trees. A moment frozen in color and light, where the golden leaves seem to dance above and the crisp blue sky peeks through their glow. It's that peaceful perspective we often forget to notice, looking up, surrounded by nature's warmth and beauty. I hope this painting brings a bit of that calm, golden autumn feeling into your day. If you enjoyed this artwork, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what scene you'd like to see next. Until next time, may your days be filled with color and inspiration.